What's up, guys? This is CJ
and Sarah, and it's Wednesday.
And it's time for another
Keto Conversations. And this is
date night
edition.
Yep.
So come along with us while we have a keto date night.
Yep. Snowing, and we're going to see the Black Panther. Hi.
Hi.
Who's that?
It's Sarah.
Hi, you look like Sarah.
Do you want to go to the movies?
Yeah, let's go to the movies. So I'm waiting for Sarah, and this popcorn smells so good. We just watched a video by Dr. Bird talking about popcorn and keto, and it was interesting, because we had never thought about it, that people might not realize that you can't really have popcorn on keto, but technically you could if you just counted your carbs and really took into account how many carbs it was. So anyway, I'm waiting for Sarah. We're waiting for the movie to start. And hopefully we'll have a good time today.
So CJ already said what we are not going to be having, but we can talk about what we are going to be having, and that is Lily's chocolate and Kant that we've smuggled in his coat.
Yeah, we're snug them in.
Yeah, we're rebels.
Yeah. Woohoo, living on the edge.
I look really close.
You are close. My arm only goes so far out.
Extreme close-up.
Okay, so we're at the Cheesecake Factory for our second part of our date. Here with my best and only girl.
Oh, I love how you clarified that.
We got a 30-minute wait.
Yep.
So what'd you think of the movie?
I liked it.
Yeah, I liked it too. It was a good movie.
I'm not as picky as CJ.
Would you give it Black Panther a thumbs up or a thumb down?
I would give it a thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Okay.
Yep.
All right. So what are we talking about?
We are talking about keto date night.
Okay.
Here comes our gratuitous amount of butter.
Oh wow, lots of butter. Good. No, that's
Thank you.
good. So we're having butter for dinner. We're doing a video,
vlogging.
sorry. So we're having butter for dinner. We came all the way to the Cheesecake Factory to have butter.
To have butter. Thank you. And they have the best blue cheese, and the macros are good. In fact, you can take it home.
Yes, this is
It's
awesome.
practically a food.
The blue cheese is a bomb.
It is really amazing. So first of all, when you sit down at the table, you just say, we don't need any bread.
Yeah.
And they're really good about it.
Yeah, that was the first thing we
Yep.
said.
Our server is very sweet.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, yeah. Just say no bread and they won't even bring it to your table.
Yeah. No big deal.
Nope.
Don't need to feel self-conscious about it.
Nope. And we are having bone-in New York strips and seasonal vegetables and salad with a gratuitous amount of blue cheese dressing.
Yep, and lots of butter. We told her to bring lots of
butter. Yeah.
So I guess the whole point behind the video is that
You can still go out and have date
yeah,
night.
you can have a date night. You can still go out.
Go to the movies.
I didn't miss the popcorn at all. It did smell good though. I'm not gonna lie about that.
But I've noticed it always smells better than
Yeah,
it tastes.
no.
Because like, it's great when it's hot, like when you first get it in your
Yeah.
bucket, and then it starts to get that kind of oily, old, greasy.
Okay, well now that you say it like that, it sucks.
Did I ruin it for you? That's the idea.
So much for the good feel of the popcorn. Hey, I'm just being real. Like, I used to like popcorn as a movie, so. But I didn't miss it. I did not feel that was like what, a 3-hour movie with all the
with all the previews.
Yeah. So didn't miss it at all, and it was a good movie.
Yeah.
And I haven't got it yet. Kind of hard to get it.
With our gratuitous amount of butter too.
Okay, so this is a what?
This is a bone-in New York strip.
Right.
So it's got the bone,
Yeah, and a salad.
and then look at all the juice.
Yeah.
Yep.
We got an extra.
And we've got haricot vert, which is French for petite, skinny green beans.
Okay, we got green beans.
And it looks like a very delicious salad.
Yeah.
Yep.
And I got the exact same thing. I think we're gonna need more dressing.
Yes, of course we are. This is our delicious dessert. This is the low-carb cheesecake. We're gonna say thank you for watching us eat food. We wish you could have all been here. It would have been a party. It would have been a keto party at the Cheesecake Factory.
And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. We upload new content throughout the week. New recipes every Sunday. Keto Conversations on Wednesday. But be sure to hit the notification bell. And thanks for watching CJ's Keto Kitchen.
Come back and eat with us.
Yep. Bye-bye.
Peace.
Oh yeah, peace.
You have to remember how we met? You don't remember?
No. I remember how we met. I do remember how we met. I'm trying to remember the whole thing about. So we met. We talked on the phone.
Well, we emailed first. We met on, I like to call it Excellent Cupid.
It's actually called OK Cupid.
OK Cupid sounds rather mediocre.
Right.
Yeah.
So for all y'all who aren't so techie, that's an online dating site.
So yes, we met online.
Yes, we met online.
Nearly 4 years ago.
Wow, it's 4 years ago?
In October, it'll be 4 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we met online, and we talked over the phone.
Yeah.
Steak and salad.
So we met online.
So we met
Cupid.
online,
Yeah.
OK Cupid, and we talked over the phone. And there was something though, you were like, we talked over the phone. I really liked you just from the conversation on the phone.
Oh, you're gonna bring that up.
And then,
Can we get a little more dressing? Yes,
Yeah.
Thank you.
and then we talked on the phone.
He's gonna bring this up.
And you
Where
were,
I dumped him.
Yeah, you like dumped me the
No.
second time or something over the phone.
I was online dating.
Yeah,
So
you were already dating somebody else.
I had just started
Met
dating him,
somebody else.
and they had asked me
some
to be
jerk.
some
Some dumbass.
horrible specimen of a person, just
Right.
terrible person.
And she was
I didn't find that out
and
later.
she was gonna dump me for him.
So
And I talked her out of it.
I called you
Yeah, that's
and
right.
begged you for another
That's
chance.
right, you did. You called and groveled. You were groveling.
I said, can we at least be friends? And you said no. And then you changed
Hell
your mind.
no, I'm tired of this friend crap.
I hadn't even met you yet, and I already tried to put you in the friend
Right.
zone.
I'm not gonna be your friend.
So I
then-
decided ixnay on this other guy.
Yeah.
And
That's
you
probably the
asked me
best.
out on a date, and we made plans for Saturday, but you couldn't wait.
Yeah.
So we had dinner at Denny's. I worked the graveyard shift, so
Yep.
I took my lunch, and we met at midnight at
Yeah.
Denny's.
At Denny's. Yeah.
So now Denny's is our place.
Yeah. We met at Denny's, and she was wearing
A hoodie
a
and
hoodie
yoga pants.
and yoga pants. So
Uh-huh.
yeah, she was hot in those yoga pants. I was like, whoa.
I don't know what it is about men in yoga pants or leggings.
Anyway, so she was looking hot. We met, and then we sat down and we talked.
And I decided that you could possibly be the man for me because Peppa Pig was your favorite. You knew who Daniel Tiger was on PBS Kids, and you drove a minivan. Okay.
Yeah, I was styling with a minivan.
I have 2 young daughters, so that was a big deal. Yes, and the fact that he has a daughter that's just 2 years older than my children. Yeah. So we're like, we have 3 daughters that are only 2 years apart.
Yeah, that's true.
And all under the age of 10. So
yeah,
it was a big deal to meet somebody who spoke my mom language, not just my romantic language.
Yeah.
It was a big deal.
Yeah.
So you want to eat?
Yeah.
Okay.
I see. So you dumped me. Then you came to your senses. We met.
And had our first our first mini date at Denny's.
Yeah, at Denny's.
And then you actually took me out for a real date.
Yeah, where did we go?
To BJ's.
Yeah, BJ's restaurant.
Which you just told me you've taken a lot of your other dates to. So, on the romance department in that one. No, I'm just kidding.
Well, but then we have...
And then we went to the movies.
Wasn't there at some point, though, where I did this thing where we talked about being exclusive or something?
That was in the movie theater before we watched
Guardians of the Galaxy?
Guardians of the Galaxy, the first one. Yep. Before we watched the movie, he asked me if I would be his one and only.
And I had never done that before, except I actually asked somebody. I've been married before.
Right.
But
that's pretty exclusive.
I had never done it with just like with a date.
As dating someone.
Dating someone.
Yeah. So that was a big deal. And the movie was good.
What else? So you dumped me, came to your senses, went on our first date. And actually, when I met Sarah the first time, I knew that it was probably going to be pretty serious.
How did you know?
I don't know. I think how we just kind of talked about kind of the things we talked about the first time we met.
Because I told you I would go and eat bugs.
I don't even remember that. No, that wasn't why.
We were going to go and eat bugs for one of our first dates.
There's a restaurant here in the Seattle area where you can go eat bugs, and we were going to go.
I still would totally be down for that.
Would you?
High protein. Probably pretty good fat macros too.
Yeah. And probably 0 carbs, I would imagine. But yeah, I knew. And then we went out to the car on our first date.
Well, we were walking to the car.
We were walking out to the car, to your car,
yeah.
Our cars. And it was raining.
Yeah. And you said, I'm going to kiss you. It wasn't asking permission, it was just a statement.
Yeah.
And it started to rain. He must have paid those guys on the roof a lot.
Yeah, I arranged it so it would rain and be really romantic.
It was romantic.
Because that's the kind of guy I am. What else? And then you broke up with me another time.
For like 2 seconds.
Yeah, she dumped me again.
Wow. You're not bitter.
No, I'm not bitter. And then she came to her senses.
You dedicated some photographs to me.
Oh yeah, that's true. So back when we first met, I was really into photography. In fact, I'm still into photography. YouTube is kind of taking its place right now, but I'm still a photographer by heart.
In fact, one of the outtakes screens, there's a man in a kayak.
Yeah.
And that's one of your photographs, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So sometimes the screens before outtakes and things like that is actually
I'll add a photo
or his photographs.
And so what we'll do for this video, we'll actually put some of the photos that I dedicated to
Your muse photographs?
yeah, to you. And just to show you nothing. So, yeah. And we've been together ever since. So.
Yep.
Oh, so I guess I should say this. So because a lot of people have assumed that we're married.
We are not married.
Yes, we're not married.
Nope.
We don't even live in the same house.
Nope.
So when you see CJ's Keto Kitchen, sometimes it's a different kitchen.
Sometimes it's CJ's kitchen and sometimes it's
her
my
kitchen. So.
And it's not that we don't believe in living in sin.
What?
We're not saving ourselves for marriage.
Yeah.
We've both been married before.
Yes.
We are trying to arrange living together this summer.
Yeah.
So
It'll be all
that's our
under
next
one.
step.
That's our next step.
So there'll be only one CJ's Keto Kitchen
Right.
eventually. But right now we both have our own places.
Right.
So no, not married.
Yep, not married. We've both been married before. Multiple times.
Okay. You've been married multiple times. I've been married one time.
Oh. You weren't married before?
No.
Oh, that's right. You thought you were married.
I was married to a
You thought you were married to a guy, but he wasn't. Okay. Well, that's a whole different
That's a whole different story.
That's going to be in the movie we made.
Yeah. That's going to be in the movie version.
So.
My steak is good.
Is it? I haven't even had it yet. I've been talking.